Hi there. The whole purpose of this is to talk briefly about recording a presentation. So this is a quick overview of transactional distance, which is an online learning theory that I like to apply early in the design process. Currently, online learning is conceived of as a virtual classroom, and I think that's a huge problem, and it's why we need something like transactional distance. Distance learning tends to be adapted to institutional needs, following the American priority of access to education as opposed to seeing distance learning as a new pedagogic possibility. So transactional distance consists of three distinct items: the structure, dialogue, and autonomy. And I'll talk of each of those individually. Now, structure deals with how the class itself is put together and how rigidly the student is being asked to follow the curriculum. So how much scaffolding is a student need is a question you would ask. Do I have to lead them by the hand, or can I give them a freedom to do what they want, and if so, how much? This affects both curriculum and the evaluation of a course, and really comes from the instructional systems design model of doing a needs analysis, creating objectives, and above all, being efficient in education. Dialogue is the amount of interaction that needs to take place between the instructor and the student, and I also like to add between students and students. So is this the kind of class that a student would complete on their own, or should we give them the opportunity to talk with the professor often? Do they need to consult the professor to help things out? So you want to try to develop positive interactions that have all the qualities of partnership, respect, and counseling. And you also think about dialogue as in support of learner needs. Finally, looking at the learner themselves, how independent are they as learners? Now, Malcolm Knowles, the great adult learning theorist, said that learning was natural to adults, autonomy was natural to adults. But many contest that. So does your learner need to have objectives? Can they set them themselves? Can they select useful materials on their own? Will they participate in evaluation? Most importantly, will they stay self-motivated, or do you need to be there to help them? So each of these is conceived of as a variable: dialogue, structure, and autonomy. It's not that one is good, one is better than another. They all have the right amount of ingredients to develop a good course. The use of transactional distance theory will help us create a new pedagogic possibilities. It'll let us think about rich communications and how much is necessary in each class. Gives us the opportunity to personalize education, make learning a part of life, and create socially constructive knowledge. Thank you very much.